everyone. Today we will be discussing about the topic. The topic for today is data center and cloud. So basically there are lots of information going to share you today's discussion. We will be talking about the data center or cloud, and then we will also be talking about how need advantage technology can help you data center or cloud. So to know more about that, first we know something basic. So here are the content topic for today's discussion. Broadly, these are the topic which we are going to explain it to you of data center. So then we will explain to you, if your company looking to set up your data center or you are in a doubt whether to instead of building your own data center, you want to go to the cloud. So we will help you putting so inside that this particular subject so that you can decide yourself whether the data center is the right choice or the cloud will be the right choice for you. Third thing, we will talking about safety and security measure which you should consider before building of your data center or before going to the cloud. So this is the very crucial thing because your data center is crucial to your organization. So if you want to set up your data center or if you want to put your entire data, everything in the cloud, discussing about the fourth topic is discussing about is how many type of data center are there and how many type of cloud is there. So basically we will giving you lot of insight support the fifth point also that how many type of data center. So now when we talk about the data center, so basically what is actually a data center? So data center is a collection of servers. So if you can see the image in the top of this thing, so data center is a collections of server networking and other device which connects all the server and all the server connected and plated in one room. So this particular image is an example of a typically data center and which can be for an organization or can be for multiple organizations. Now what is cloud? Cloud is something where you do not physically see the server. Cloud is nothing but similar data center placed in some cloud service provider like common cloud service provider. To give nowadays, which is AWS, Google Cloud, and there are multiple public cloud which are available today. So basically, if you want to have your data not spread in a server with your data center, you put everything in cloud. Now to give you little bit more insight about why do you need a data center and why do you need a cloud, we'll talk about that. But first the basic thing is what is server. So basically server is something which is very higher computer. Okay, then a higher computer storage your data company informations. The servers can be manufactured by various companies like HP, Dell, Lenovo. So there are very higher server depending on the uses of the customer. All the server are when you put a data center, there are lots of factors which you need to consider before. First of all, buying the server and putting all setting of your data center. One is the database server, second is the application server, third is the web server, and last fourth is the size in understanding buying those right server and sizing the right server, configuring the right server for you at the cheap cost. So that is number one. Is the advantage and disadvantage of having cloud and data center. So there are some few points. So the first point is the cloud service are only available on demand. That means if you want to have their data in the cloud, application server based on your demand. You buy that, so you will save a lot of money by not buying that, wherein data center are always available because you need to send a lot of money, have a capital expenses to buy the servers, buy the storage, buy the networking devices, and more often you need to set up your server data center room, which is specified design with the calling features with AC. Third point which we are talking about is in the cloud. Since all servers are in the cloud services provider place, you are not physically looking at the servers, so the data whatever generated by the companies, it has to travel using the internet and it has to go reach the server where the actual application and database everything will be stored. Wherein if the server are located at your organizations and which is connected within the local area network, the data is secure and stored in your own premises. So that is the third point. Fourth point is cloud are not easily customizable. You can mix and match different type of server application in cloud, which are available with the cloud services providers. You have to use that. You cannot do anything or any experiment of your own wherein own data center and you are into R&D. You want to do an experiment with your applications with anything, you can do that. Now the last thing, which is most crucial thing when you are considering whether you go for a cloud or a data center, is if you are running a mission critical project, you should not put that in a cloud, whereas if you cannot.
Physical security as well as the data security both are primary concern for any of the companies. At Nil Advantage Technology, we help protect your server with respective whether it is in your own data center or your cloud. So the next thing is put a data center safety and security. So mostly there are lots of things like fire or any kind of water leak or gas leak. So we also help you to set up your tier site. So basically tier site is the disaster recurring site which we can have your replication of data center in some other brand officer. Maybe if your some offices in Bangalore and you have your data center is here, then you can replicate your data and you can hear your tier site in some other locations like Delhi and any other city. So if there is any issue happen in a particular city and your data center crisis, we will ensure that the other data center is up and running and your business is not affected. Your customer are not affected, your data is safe and security, so we can also do that for you. Then coming to the type of data center basically which we have already discussed, but let me put you more impression. The type of data center, there are 4 type of data center. Number 1 is enterprise data center, number 2 is managed service data center, number 3 is colocation data center, and number 4 is the cloud data center. Now what are the basic difference in the data center? So enterprise data center is built, operated and owned by enterprise itself. If you are an organization and you want to set up your data center, you need to buy all the server networking equipment, software license to run the service, and there you need to have your own place, your own calling mechanisms to cool the service because the server running in all the times and you need to put that into your own office premises. Number 2 category, managed service data center. So basically your data center you lease, instead of mine you lease the equipment from the company and they will buy the server and everything. Basically you will taking kind of a rent or you can lease those product and place it with a third party. which can manage service. We can help you build the enterprise data center, that is first. Number 2, we can also help you finding the managed service partners through our partnership, and we can help you with building up your data center as well. Third category is colocation data center. Colocation data center means you are actually taking a space in a data center which might be tier 2 or tier 3 or tier 4 data center, but all the components like server, storage, firewall, so everything in the colocation data center hosts your infrastructure. So you can buy from them, or you can buy from outsider, or you can buy from us and put all the storage servers, everything in somebody's data center, so data center. So the next step of the data center is the cloud data center. So the cloud data center is the typically of the premises, that means that we are not at all the physically associated with the server or the storage for the application or anything on you are doing through web browser. You are managing your buying, or you are implementing the complete data center. The server might be located here are some other locations. So they are managing everything, so they are ensuring 24/7 hours time. Your server are everything are located with them, and you are not the owner of that. So basically you are not spending a lot of term of service purchase. All you are doing putting a nominal amount as you are operational expenses to is a cloud service provider. So we also are already so partner few of such cloud service provider, and we are also thinking to perform with lot of service provider in future. So we can also help you setting up your cloud data center. So now we are talking about cloud data center. So how many type of cloud data center? Basically there are 3 type of cloud data center. Your first one is public cloud, where where are lot of servers and storage and everything is available, and it is public in the service, which the same data center, same server, the lot of other companies have also taken the space, and you are also taken the space in the same server as in the same data center. So many people are having their service, and you are also having a part of a server, so it has to be used by the multiples, the resources are sharing. So this is what a public cloud. Second is the private cloud. Private cloud actually owned by the private business organization, and their physical location is one of the location which is using on your server. So you are taking a private cloud, which means your server is located with your private cloud service provider at one particular location. So you know where is the server, where your data, like public cloud, it might be in the other location and it is shared. And the third is the hybrid cloud. So the hybrid cloud is the combination of public as well as private cloud. So as a name, it is hybrid. So some of the things are in public cloud, or some of the things are in a private cloud, and you need to have your BPL connectivity to securely connect through them. So we are the partners companies like Checkpoint, Fortinet. We can give you a lot of BPL activities that we can help you securely your data, irrespective whether it is in a public cloud or it is in a private cloud, or whether it is in a hybrid cloud. So now coming to a partnership. So there are the few partnership which we have done in these times. You can see typically we are partner for Lenovo, Dell, HP, Intel, Cisco. So there are lot of networking companies like Cisco, Checkpoint, and fire security companies like Forcepoint, Broadcom, Aruba, and cyber security. Or we can set up you complete data center for you by the help of all these OEM. which we have already partnered with, and we are also proving that means in future we will be also partnering with lots of other companies to help you provide all solution from one single step. If you want to set up your own data centers, irrespective of your want to set up your own colocation data center, or you want to have a cloud data center, or these companies to check whether you doing or not, you can only check to us. We will helping you building you up your data center from search. So hope this video would giving you a lot of information about cloud, about data center, about server. If you need any product or solution from us and our partner companies, please feel free to contact with us and send us to mail also info@neeladvantage.com. We'll be definitely glad you to help you when you are sending your queries. Please ensure that you mention your name, your organization detail in your email signature with your phone number, so that we can call you back and we can help our discussion and we can help you understanding enough for the topic and help you build your own data center, irrespective whether you want to do your own premises or you set up your database in cloud. And also ensure you with all these partnership we can give you the best of class service at a very cheap cost.